Hey everyone, welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to withdraw Avalanche, AVAX, from Robinhood to Bitmart in 2025. If you're diving into crypto and want to move your assets between platforms, this step-by-step tutorial will have you sorted in no time. By the end, you'll feel confident handling your digital wallet transfers. First off, why do this? Robinhood is great for trading, but Bitmart offers more advanced tools for managing your AVAX. Before we start, make sure you have verified accounts on both platforms, some AVAX in your Robinhood wallet, and two-factor authentication enabled for security. Crypto moves can be risky, so always double-check details to avoid any mishaps. Let's jump in. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Head over to your portfolio, find your AVAX holdings, and select the option to withdraw or transfer assets. You'll see a prompt to choose the withdrawal method. Make sure to select cryptocurrency. Step 2. Choose the correct network. For AVAX, it's typically the Avalanche C-chain. Using the wrong network could mean losing your funds forever, so verify this carefully. Step 3. Now, log into your Bitmart account. Go to the deposit section, select AVAX, and copy your unique wallet address. This is crucial. Paste it accurately into Robinhood's withdrawal form. Step 4. Enter the amount of AVAX you want to withdraw. Remember to account for any network fees, which might be around 0.01 to 0.1 AVAX depending on congestion in 2025. Review everything one last time, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. Step 5. Wait for the transfer to complete. This usually takes 5 to 30 minutes, but it can vary. Once done, check your Bitmart wallet to confirm the AVAX has arrived. A few tips. Always use reputable exchanges, keep an eye on gas fees, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to practice. There you have it. That's how you withdraw AVAX from Robinhood to Bitmart in 2025. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. Thanks for watching.